Hi everyone, I'm Donna, lead instructor and owner of To The Core Pilates Studio. So over the years, we've heard from many people the reasons why they started coming to the studio and the reasons why they stay. And I love to think of our studio as a Pilates family, and my dream is to really foster a sense of family here within the studio. So why do people come here and why do they stay? Some people say they've been in group classes where they feel like they're just a number in the crowd. Others tell stories of being hurt in their first workout and never ever going back again. Others have never worked out before because they're afraid of being hurt more, or they're just totally unsure what it is they can do, or even if they're doing anything right. Still others come to us in pain after being given a long list of things they can't do. People often come to us feeling like they're not being heard or with a profound sense of hopelessness. We have clients that have suffered with back pain for years, clients with knee and hip replacements that simply want to move better and improve their quality of life. We have back fusions and whiplash clients. I'm one of them. We also have everyone from young athletes to our oldest client that is currently 82. So what do they all have in common? They all want to feel better. They want to be proactive about their health and their wellness. They're really, really tired of being told what they can't do. And they were really ready to change their perspective and how they looked at their health and wellness journey. Every single one of them has changed their I can'ts to I cans. It's the most important part. Are you ready to see what you can do? Are you ready to change the quality of your life? Ready to be part of a tribe that holds you up and supports you for every part of your journey? You ready to be part of our Pilates family? Give us a call, send us a message. We'd love to hear from you.